Hello, this is After Six Cocktails, and today we're making the Manhattan. Now let's make this Manhattan. Start off, put 1 ounce of sweet red vermouth, put in the mixing glass. Then you take your rye, 2 ounces of rye whiskey, put in the mixing glass, add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, stir for about 20 seconds or 20 turns, depending on how you like it. Strain into a standard cocktail glass. Usually you garnish this with the cherry, but I don't got any cherries. The barrel bite from the rye whiskey is still there, but the sweet vermouth sort of balances that out and softens that flavor. Thanks for watching After Six Cocktails. See you next week after 6.